AI agents break in production silently. Agent Kintsugi heals them, automated, trace driven diagnosis, and in memory prompt repair. Today, when an agent fails, you are stuck in a manual loop. Read logs, guess a prompt fix, rerun, and repeat. The failures hide. Agents stop mid task, skip tools, or hallucinate limits. It's guesswork, not evidence. Kintsugi is the Japanese art of repairing pottery with gold. The repair becomes part of the story. Agent Kintsugi does that for agents. Every failure becomes a visible record of improvement. And we never hit your source. Patches hidden in memory working copy are sourced from Phoenix traces and are versioned in the Phoenix prompt registry with an exportable diff of every change. It runs as a 5 step loop. Test the agent and trace every step. The Gemini judge scores correctness, tool use, efficiency, and safety. A debugger diagnoses the failure, patches apply in memory, then we retest. The key diagnosis isn't a guess. The debugger is itself a Google ADK agent that queries the Phoenix traces at runtime through the Arise Phoenix MCP server, so every fix is grounded in concrete span data. Now we have Agent Kintsugi in action. Here's the Google Customer Service Agent. We configure the repository URL, the agent path, and we put in two test scenarios. One is cart review and product swap, and the other is planning service with care package. We put in the user input, the success criteria, and the expected tools. We start the iteration one and it fails instead of completing the task. We see the diagnosis and the proposed optimizations to make the iteration a success and make the agent work. The evolution suggests that there is 0% improvement as this is the first iteration. The suggested prompt patch is applied during the second iteration, and the success rate is increased from 0% to 100%. The agents perform as expected in the success criteria. These were the prompt patches we applied, and the evolution graph shows an improvement from 0% to 100%. And we get the prompt patch to apply to the agent. We can also download a report generated based on the run and the trace summary. Then we go to Agent Phoenix and see the metrics for the runs. And we can go and check the span where we see all the user prompts and the system prompts and how the LLM responds. The ADK debugger queries Phoenix through the MCP server and finds the root cause of the failing iterations. Every tool call and span is captured in Phoenix along with the dataset and prompt patch versions, which helps the agent to heal itself. Architecturally, Phoenix is used both directions. Traces stream out via Open Inference and OTLP, and the debugger reads insights back through the MCP server. A fast API engine, a React UI, and Firestore tie it together. The stack is all Google and Arise, Gemini, and the Agent Development Kit, the open source framework behind the Vertex AI Agent Builder. Arise Phoenix for observability, deployed on Cloud Run. The next masterpiece for Agent Kintsugi involves a visual scenario builder, support for other agent frameworks, and exporting patches as fine tuning data. Agent Kintsugi, agents that find their own cracks and fill them with gold.